It is 2 a.m. You walk into your kitchen, turn the light on, and they scatter. 1, 2, 10 cockroaches everywhere. If you see a few, there are hundreds hiding. These things crawl in garbage, inside drains, and then walk all over your food. You might not realize it, but you're dealing with bacteria every single day. You spray them, you crush them, but you're doing it wrong. You're only killing the ones you see. The real colony, still alive. But here's a method. That costs less than $5. It makes them destroy themselves. Take 1 spoon of boric acid and 1 spoon of dry milk. Mix them together. The milk attracts them. The boric acid kills them. Now do this at night. Place it near the sink, behind the fridge, inside corners. Turn off the lights and leave. While you sleep, they come out. They eat it, but they don't die immediately. They go back and spread the poison. One becomes many. Next morning, empty your entire kitchen. Take a spray and hit every corner. Then leave it like that for a full day. Next day, clean everything. Wipe it down. Reset your kitchen and watch what happens. No movement, no crawling, just a clean kitchen. All this for under $5. Subscribe Life Explains for more powerful hacks.